Bollywood diva and fitness enthusiast Malaika Arora was recently snapped with her pet dog in Mumbai's Bandra area. The beautiful actress was snapped in black leggings and top. On the work front, Malaika is currently judging dance reality show India's Best Dancer. Actress Kriti Sanon was snapped outside director and producer Anand L. Rai's office. She was seen wearing green top, which she teamed up with denim pants. On the work front, Kriti will be next seen in Mimi. The film is a remake of National Award-winning 2011 Marathi film Mala Achhi Vyahe. Alleging that there are rumors about actors Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, director Ayan Mukherjee, and a person named Vicky Kaushik being cocaine addicts, actress Kangana Ranaut has suggested that these Bollywood personalities should send their blood samples for drug test. Kangana took to her verified Twitter account on Wednesday to make her allegation, tagging the office of the Prime Minister of India. I request Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Ayan Mukherjee, Vicky Kaushik to give their blood samples for drug test. There are rumors that they are cocaine addicts. I want them to burst these rumors. These young men can inspire millions if present clean samples, tweeted the actress. The actress had tweeted last week alleging that cocaine is the most commonly consumed drug in Bollywood parties. Most popular drug in the film industry is cocaine. It is used in almost all house parties. It is very expensive, but in the beginning, when you go to the houses of high and mighty, it is given free. MDMA crystals are mixed in water and at times passed on to you without your knowledge, Kangana had tweeted last week. In a separate tweet, the actress had alleged, if Narcotics Control Bureau enters Bollywood, many A-listers will be behind bars. If blood tests are conducted, many shocking revelations will happen. Hope PMO India under Swachh Bharat mission cleanses the gutter called Bollywood. Actor Ayushmann Khurrana has started work on physically transforming himself for his role of a cross-functional athlete in an upcoming love story directed by Abhishek Kapoor. Ayushmann posted a few pictures on Instagram story of a virtual meeting with trainer Rakesh Udiyar. Here we go, he captioned the frames along with a powerlifting emoji. Ayushmann tagged his director Abhishek Kapoor in the post. The yet untitled love story has Ayushmann pairing up with Vaani Kapoor for the first time. Actress Urvashi Rautela works out like a warrior going by her new post on social media. An Instagram video Urvashi has posted sees her doing pull-ups with rapper Cardi B's number WAP playing in the background. Hashtag WAP challenge done right in the weight pull-ups warrior style workout. Urvashi is currently in Hyderabad shooting for her debut Telugu film Black Rose. The film is directed by Sampath Nandi. Actress Ankita Lokhande recently reposted video of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput in which he is seen doing paragliding. The video was shared by Ankita and Sushant, common friend Natasha Sharma on Instagram. Sharing the video, Ankita wrote, "How beautifully expressed and written Nats. Adi, thank you so much for the memories. Sushant, you will be missed by all of us and all of your fans." Pavitra Rishta co-stars Ankita and Sushant were in a relationship for about 6 years. Actress Hina Khan is not only known for her acting but is also known for her style statement too. Recently, the actress shared her beautiful pictures on social media. The actress looked gorgeous in western outfit. She opted for soft glam look and tied her hair in a bun. On the Bollywood front, Hina was last seen in horror drama Hacked. Actress Vijay Shibani Dandekar has called out media professional for misbehaving with Rhea Chakravarti, who is accused of abetment to suicide in the death of her late boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput. Shibani posted a lengthy Instagram note in the support of Rhea, whom she has known for a long time. "I have known Rhea Chakravarti since she was 16-year-old. Vibrant, strong, vivacious, such a bright spark, so full of life. I have witnessed such a stark contrast to this side of her personality over the last few months as her and her family. have experienced the most unimaginable trauma. We have watched the media behave like complete vultures on a witch hunt, vilifying and torturing an innocent family to breaking out, Shibani wrote. She also shared the current situation has affected Ria's family a lot. Her basic human right taken away as the media play judge, jury and executioner. We have seen the death of journalism and a frightening side of humanity. What was her crime? She loved a boy, looked after him through his darkest days, put his life on hold to be there for him, and when he took his own life, she was crucified. What have we become? I have seen her firsthand what this has done to her mother's health. How it has affected her father, who gave his life to serve this country for 20 years. How quickly her brother has to grow up and how strong he has to be, Shibani added. She even promised Ria to be with her always, demanding justice for the latter. My Ria, you are a pillar of strength, so resilient. I have so much love and respect for you, for the human being you are, and for fighting this till the end knowing that you have the truth on your side. I am sorry you had to go through this. I am sorry that we were not better. I am sorry that so many people let you down, doubted you, were not there for you when you needed the most. I am sorry that the best thing you ever did in your life led you to the worst experience of your life. I am so sorry. I am with you always. Justice for Ria, Shibani concluded.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.